Facing the new challenges related to the increasing demand for the photovoltaics energy, a commitment to technological innovation, efficiency, sustainability along the entire value chain, as well material recovery and recycling, and attention to the eco-design and the cost of electricity. This is the ENEA commitment in the field of photovoltaics to contribute the achievement of the European objective of decarbonizing the energy system, containing the global raised temperature and combat the climate change. To accelerate the development of photovoltaics, especially those based on perovskite, ENEA is participating in the VIPERLAB project with a laboratory-scale manufacturing line for perovskite solar cells and perovskite silicon tandem cells. At its research center in Portici, Naples, ENEA is developing a material and technological process for the production of high-efficiency solar cells for innovative, eco-friendly photovoltaics that can be integrated in different contexts, such as agrivoltaics. Specifically, with a laboratory equipped with the PSVD deposition system, sputtering system, evaporation system, material and device characterization, as well as years of expertise, the laboratory is at the forefront of the research in the perovskite solar cells and the perovskite tandem solar cells that has been reached a efficiency of the 23%. ENEA is ready to support the industry in PV sector, promoting the creation of a new production value chain and thereby facilitating the pathway indicated by Europe.